guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Wealth Empire by CVJ. So today I'm going to talk about a few online businesses which I've been trying for a few weeks, some few months, and some years, and really want to. The first one I'm going to start with is to review a specific online business. Like let me say, it's a form of online earning using a special app. So uh, please subscribe, like, and share this video if you find it useful. Leave your comment on the comment section below so that I know what you're thinking about this video. So without much ado, let's get into the video. Alright, welcome back everyone. So in this video I'm going to show you a certain online business which I've been able uh, to come across, and I want to share with you guys how to, whether it is really legitimate, and whether you can really benefit from it. So it depends with you, but it depends with your commitment and how long you're going to take uh, to actually do what is needed for you to start earning the dollars. So this specific app is called Mod App, and it used to be called not it used to, but when you go to iOS devices and you look for this app, it is called Current. And but when you come to Android devices, you're going to find it by the name Mod. So Mod App is a very famous app. When you go to YouTube, I've been okay. The first time I heard about Mod App, it was on from YouTube channel, and I decided to try it out to see whether I could really earn from it. So after doing some few research, I joined. I watched some. Okay, I listened to some music. I played some games. Yeah, and I got some points. And what I really realized about this app is, like, it really requires you to dedicate a lot of time, which for me because of a lot of things which I'm currently doing, I was not able. Yeah, so this is, let's open the app. So when you go to your Google Play Store, you're going to find this app called Mod App. I'm going to open data because yeah. So yeah, so this is the app. So let's my phone load, and then you're going to see how it looks like. Yeah, so basically, okay, so as you can see, I was listening to some music.
My verse is gonna be the best one. If murder ain't what she wrote, and she screaming red rum.
Yeah, so you can listen to the music, and there's also some, you can play some games, you know. Yeah, you can play some games. So once you click on play games, it will take you to a certain page, and then it's going to ask you to download some apps. So when you download apps, you'll be able to play these games, and from the games you're going to be earning some points, and then the points you can be able to redeem them and actually uh, cash it out to your PayPal account. So when you look at my account, like there's one game which I was playing, and I decided to not to continue. So I actually earned 161.97, and out of 3,600 points. So this one actually took me about 2 to 3 hours to earn this point. Yeah. So I realized that for you to earn from this app, it really requires you to dedicate a lot of time, but it is actually working, because a friend of mine who introduced me to this app after I watched it on YouTube actually was able to withdraw $0.25 into his PayPal account, which I really recommend. Okay, which is really a proof that if you do the game, if you play the game, if you listen to the music, and if you share, you're really going to earn. But it's going to take you a lot of time. Maybe you do some, let's say you have a lot of people on your WhatsApp contact, and you're going to share for you to earn. So this app actually pays you to earn, to watch videos, stream videos, play games. You're definitely going to earn using this app. If you're interested in knowing knowing some other side hustle businesses which are real, which I've been doing research about, which I'm currently doing and actually earning money from. You only need a phone and you only need to be online. You only need a phone and internet or maybe a laptop. It depends. If your phone is okay, if your laptop is okay. So guys, I want you to try this game. Try this game and see whether it is really working for you, and let me know. Let me know what you think about this game after you actually try it out, and then it's going to be okay. And then currently, I want you guys to, okay, in case you are interested in forex trading, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. If you are new to forex and you are interested in forex trade, click the link below, what forex markets, and then you register. Then after registration, there's a demo. You open a demo account and then you get involved in demo contest, and then you stand a chance of winning up to 2,000 US dollars, which will be deposited into your real account, and you start trading. In case you are new to the field and you don't know how to create account, things like that, I'm going to put my WhatsApp group down in the link, WhatsApp group link on the description below. So just press the link and then you start. You contact me. Once you join the group, I will be able to see you, and then I'll guide you step by step. You're going to start with zero money. You're going to learn how to trade, and I'll be guiding you step by step on how to get started. I started forex trading back in 2022, and currently I know a lot of things in forex trading. So when you join the WhatsApp group, I'm going to get you started, and later on when you become a pro, or maybe when you can, let's say if you win, you'll start trading with $2,000. Is a competition. It's called Demo Pro competition. So the first winner, the winner will be given $2,000, which will be deposited in your trading account. The first runners up will be given $1,000, and the third runners up is going to be given $500. So you can take part. You can take part in this challenge. It runs for 30 days. That is 1 month. So even if you don't win, you'll have learned a lot of things, and now you can deposit a real money and start trading. And I'm going to show you how you can get funding pro farms, which can get you funded, and then you start trading. So find the link in the description below. Don't forget, if you want to try the bond app, I'm also going to leave the link in the description below. So when you click the link, you'll be able to register, download the app, and you start earning using various ways. See you in the next video, and don't forget to watch my next video, which I'm going to post tomorrow. This video, I'm going to show you another amazing opportunity on how to make money online by just doing a simple task. You don't have to struggle. So make sure you watch my video, which I'm going to post tomorrow. So for you to know that when I'm going to post this video, you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You have to like and share. Click the notification button so that whenever I post a new video, you're going to be notified that I've posted another video. Bye. See you.